Welcome to day 3 of MindGarden's Intro to Meditation course. Sit comfortably, place your hands on your lap, and close your eyes. When we sit and practice meditation, we're going to have many thoughts. We aren't trying to clear our mind or stop thinking when we practice. Instead, we're learning to pay attention to our thoughts and see them as they are. It sounds simple, but what you'll find when we do this is that our mind is always talking. It's always saying something, labeling things as good or bad, trying to solve problems, or convince us of some truth. And when we aren't paying attention, our mind controls how we feel, what we do, how we treat others, how we treat ourselves, and how we experience life. And for many of us, all of this happens without our knowledge. We are experiencing our entire life inside of our mind. But most of us don't take the time to look and pay attention to what's happening in there. Instead, we try to fix everything around us. People, things, our environment. We try to mold everything to our liking. And once we see that this will never work, we turn to mindfulness. When we stop trying to fix the world around us, we can start to pay attention to the world inside of us. Our thoughts, our emotions, our experiences. Mindfulness is a way of turning our attention inward. In this practice, as thoughts come up, imagine they're clouds passing by. Really try to see it. There's no such thing as a misshapen cloud, or a cloud that shouldn't be where it is. There are no good clouds or bad clouds. They're all happening exactly as they should. And the same is true with our thoughts. Many times, it isn't the thoughts that create conflict within us. It's how we're treating them. See if you can just watch them pass by without labeling them as good or bad. If you can see your thoughts as they are, without attaching your preferences to them or judging them in some way, they'll lose their grip on you, and you'll start to see past them. This is meditation. Keep your eyes closed and watch your thoughts like they're clouds just passing by. As you watch these thoughts come and go, notice the importance that you give to some thoughts compared to others. You may notice how a certain thought affects how you feel. Don't push anything away. Just sit with each thought as a cloud and let it pass. Notice how you feel as you watch your thoughts pass without judgment. Maybe you feel a sense of peace or freedom. When we learn to see our thoughts as they are, we're able to respond consciously to them as they come, instead of reacting unconsciously and harming ourselves or those around us. This gives us the freedom to be in charge of our own life, instead of being controlled by our thoughts and emotions. It may sound simple to look at your thoughts this way, but if you're someone who's never tried something like this, it may be difficult. That's okay. That's why we're here. If it's difficult to be aware of your thoughts in this way, don't take it as a sign that mindfulness is not for you. Take it as a sign that mindfulness is exactly what you need. And keep practicing. Like everything in life, as you practice, it gets easier. It becomes more enjoyable, and the important thing is, you're able to take this awareness with you into everything that you do. Take a moment and thank yourself for taking the time to care for your mind today. You did an amazing job. When you feel like it, gently open your eyes and take this meditation with you into the rest of your day. I'll see you tomorrow.